Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be taking Unit 3, Lesson 1, Treasure Hunt. We all know what treasure means. Treasure can have money or gold. What about Earth? Do you know what Earth is? Earth is the place that we live in. Do you know that Earth has its own treasures? Yes, it's called natural resources. That's the Earth treasure. It's called natural resources. Repeat after me. Natural resources. What are natural resources and why are they considered the treasure of the Earth? Natural comes from the word nature. Nature. What are nature? Nature can be trees, mountains, or the sun. Anything that's already found in nature that humans don't make are considered part of nature. We don't make the trees, we don't make the mountains, and we don't make the sun or the moon or the sky because they're part of nature. What are also considered nature? Humans and animals are considered part of nature. Now, what are resources? Resources are the things we use for our needs. The things we use for our needs. Remember our needs? We need water, food, air, shelter, and clothing. Now, what are the resources I can get to get these needs? First, the water. I can get water from rivers, ocean, sea, rain. They're all called water. So water is our main resource. Humans need water to drink every day. Animals also need water. And plants need water. Water is very important and water is a resource. Next is food. We need food. We eat fruits, vegetables, and animal products. Fruits, vegetables, and animal products. Let's know what the resources are to get these things. First, fruits and vegetables. What are the resources? Yes, it's plants. We get our fruits and vegetables from plants. It grows on trees or it grows underground. So plants are our resource. Plants are resources that we need. What do plants need to grow? Soil. Soil. We put the seeds from the plants inside the soil in order to grow. So soil is also important. Soil is a resource. Next, plants need water after we put it in the soil. As I said before, water is a very important resource because humans, plants, and animals need it. Next, the sun. Sun is also a very important resource. The plants can't grow without the sun, but also humans need the sun and the animals need the sun. So sun is a resource. What about animal products? Where do we get our animal products? Animal products are things like chicken, meat, or milk that we get from the cow, or eggs that we can get from chicken and birds. They're all called animal products. We get our animal products from animals. Animals like the chicken, a cow, a fish, or more. So animals are resources. Animals need water. So water, don't forget that water is a very important resource. Next is clothing. How do we make our clothes? Because clothing is a need of humans. We make clothes from cotton. Cotton. And how do we get cotton? From plants. Cotton grows in plants. So we take the cotton and make clothing out of it. So plants are also resources, as I mentioned before. Plants are a very important resource. Next is shelter. Shelter. Shelter is a place where you live. like your home or house. How do we build a shelter? We use rocks. Rocks. We get rocks from nature. Rocks is a very important resource that we use for building. Next is air. Air is very important for humans and animals to breathe, and it's important for plants to grow. So air is a resource. Now let's name them again from the beginning. So we need water as a resource. Water. Plants are a very important resource. Plants to grow fruits, vegetables, and cotton for our clothes. Plants. Soil. We need soil to grow plants. Soil is a resource. Sun. We need the sun. Humans, animals, and plants need the sun. So sun is a resource. Animals. Animals are a resource that we need for food. Animals. Rocks. We need rocks to build our shelter or our home. Rocks. Rocks are very important resources that we find in nature. And the last is air. Air. Air is a very important resource that all humans and animals and plants need. Air is a resource. So what are all natural resources? Natural resources are water, plants, soil, sun, air, animals, and rocks. Let's try and say it again together. Natural resources are water, plants, soil, sun, air, animals, and rocks. Thank you.